Have you ever left a concert, movie theater, or even a busy restaurant with a ringing in your ears? That feeling is your body telling you something important. Your hearing might be at risk. It is a common experience, but understanding how long you can safely be in loud noise is crucial for protecting one of your most vital senses. The direct answer is that safe exposure time to loud noise depends entirely on two main factors: how loud the noise is, measured in decibels, and how long you are exposed to it. The louder the sound, the shorter the time you can safely be around it. Generally, noise levels below 70 decibels are considered safe for continuous exposure, but above that, caution is necessary to prevent permanent hearing damage. Now, you might be wondering why this is the case. Our ears are incredibly delicate, containing tiny hair cells in the inner ear that convert sound vibrations into electrical signals for our brain. When exposed to overly loud sounds, these hair cells can become overstimulated, damaged, or even destroyed. This damage is often irreversible. The intensity of sound is not linear. For every increase of 3 decibels in noise level, the safe exposure time is cut in half. For example, while you might safely listen to 85 decibels for up to 8 hours, an increase to 88 decibels reduces that safe time to just 4 hours. Common sounds like a lawnmower can be around 90 decibels, and a rock concert can easily reach 105 to 120 decibels. So what can you do to protect your hearing? First, distance yourself from the noise source whenever possible. Moving just a few feet away can significantly reduce the decibel level reaching your ears. Second, use hearing protection. Simple foam earplugs can reduce noise by 20 to 30 decibels, making a huge difference. For very loud environments, consider earmuffs or custom earplugs. Third, take frequent breaks from noisy areas. Step away for 5 to 10 minutes every hour to give your ears a chance to recover. Also, consider using a sound level meter application on your smartphone to get a quick estimate of surrounding noise levels. This concept of having safe exposure time for every 3 decibel increase is known as the 3 decibel exchange rate and is a key principle in occupational hearing protection. Understanding this rate helps illustrate just how quickly the risk of damage escalates. It is also important to remember that noise exposure is cumulative. All those minutes and hours in loud environments add up over your lifetime, contributing to potential hearing loss later on. Even if you do not notice immediate ringing or discomfort, damage can still be occurring. Protecting your hearing means being aware of your surroundings and taking proactive steps to manage your exposure to loud noises. By understanding the relationship between decibels and exposure time, and by consistently using protective measures, you can continue to enjoy the sounds of life without compromising your long-term hearing health. Make informed choices and give your ears the care they deserve, ensuring they serve you well for years to come.